Hello and welcome to the Real Estate Success Mastery TV. I am your host, Shadi Bazzi, and this is episode number 57. And today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of qualifying 100% of your prospects before you go on the appointment. This is going to be a very critical conversation, one that will save you lots of time and one that will make your job a whole lot better and a whole lot easier and overall very, very, very profitable. So I want you to develop the discipline to qualify every single one of your prospects before you ever go on the appointment. Okay. And you have to understand this. If you qualify the prospect correctly, what you're going to discover is not only what they want, which is very important to discover, but also what they do not want and what may be their biggest concerns. And see, when you know all of this, you will be able to shift and alter your presentation in any way that addresses their concerns and eliminates all their objections before they ever come up. And this is something very, very critical to do to vanish objections, make your job a whole lot easier. Look, I remember when, I'd be selling real estate in the beginning of my career. I got very good at setting appointments, okay? And I'd be like setting appointments just about every single day. Yet the biggest obstacle I was facing was the obstacle of actually converting the appointments. So I found myself going on a lot of appointments, but barely ever converting any of the appointments. I think I got to the point where I was only like converting like maybe 2 in 10. And we had to reverse that. And we did reverse that to the point where I was taking approximately 87% of all the appointments that I was going on. Now, mind you, what really helped the conversions is a few different things. Number one, I was going on less appointments. Yes, less appointments is not a bad thing. Here's the thing. You want to get to the point where the only time you're going on an appointment is when based on, your knowledge, based on your skills that you've mastered, not based on, theory and assumptions that your odds of taking the listing are like 80% or greater. Okay. And you do that by mastering qualifying. Okay, so look, qualifying is something that 95% of the agents out there do not know how to use, do not know how to do it, and this is why one of the main reasons why they get so many objections that they have to deal with, that get them to the point where they absolutely hate going on appointments, etc. So let me ask you a question or so. Okay, if you knew beforehand, like before you go on the actual appointment, if you knew what objection or what concern is going to come up at the presentation, would you be able to prepare for it? Okay, let me repeat that again. If before going on the appointment, you knew what were the main concerns that the seller is going to have or the buyer is going to have, and you knew what objections would come up at that presentation, would you be able to prepare for it? Look, I know you're nodding your head. I know you're saying yes. Okay, so of course. Now, if you prepare for it, do you think you would be able to increase your odds of overcoming it? You better believe you will. Okay, so of course you would. And that in almost all cases will get you more contracts signed. That's it. So now that you know this and understand this, you have to make a commitment to master it. You have to make a commitment to develop the discipline of qualifying 100% of your prospects before you go on the appointment. And you do that by mastering qualifying. So how do you qualify? You qualify by asking questions. What kind of questions do you ask? Well, you ask questions that help you discover the most potential important things to your prospect. You ask questions that help you discover the following. Number one, you want to ask questions that help you discover what does the buyer and or the seller want, and what does the buyer or seller or why do they want it? So number one, what do they want and why do they want it? Number two, what do they need and why do they need it? Number three, what potential problems they are trying to solve, if any. And number four, what is the time frame? Do they look to, move into a home before the holidays, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, whatever their potential time frame may be. And then what about their financial ability? This is where you may need the guidance of a very good mortgage officer to help you discover their real, true financial ability. And last but not least, who else may be involved in the decision-making process? Look, this is exactly what I want you to get very good at, qualifying people when you're qualifying people, before you go on the appointment and meet with them in person, find out what they want, why they want it, what they need, why they need it, what potential problems they are trying to solve, what is their time frame, and what is their financial ability, and who else may be involved in the decision making process. Okay, let's take that a step further. I want you, as a little homework I'll give you to take this to the next level. I want you to come up with a good 2 questions that you can ask any buyer or any seller that will help you discover what they want and why they want it, and do the same for the same 6 things I get for the same exact 6 steps that I just gave you right now. Prior to this video slide. Okay, so that's what I want you to do, and then I want you to share some of the questions that you can ask a buyer and or a seller to discover one of those 6 most important elements to be qualifying for, and post that in the comment section right below this video. Look, that is it, and this is a ton of information. I get that. Okay, and here's what I know. I know that when you master this, okay, when you really master this, you are going to, yes, possibly go on less appointments, which is not a bad thing, but you will be qualifying a higher percentage of the appointments that you go on. And then, when that happens, you're going to be working with the absolutely right kind of people that are going to bring fun, joy, and profits to your business. All right, so this episode has been brought to you by HandleThisObjection.com. The only thing I can say about that right here, right now, is that when you qualify, you identify what objections come up before they even come up, and then you could eliminate the objections inside of your presentations. And that's exactly what HandleThisObjection.com is all about. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next episode real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.